Just for a quick review, our analysis is cycle analysis. The core of our work looks at the rhythms in the market on multiple time frames. It gives us a lot of information about market conditions. Add into that very important momentum conditions as we use the askSlim Reversal Scout, the askSlim Reversal Scout, and also the slim ribbon as our main momentum indicators, and then doing swing high, swing low analysis, putting in key support resistance levels, and sometimes we'll show them just as pink and red. Sometimes we'll put in that there's a sell zone based on cycle information and the total sum of the evidence that we see. You can see in here in the light crude market, the example of that where you have the cycle brackets on the bottom, which is just simply a guide, a drawing tool. And each time you have a large one made up of several small ones, we call that a cyclical harmonic family. We look at configurations. In other words, are the cycles formed in a way that the highs are higher and the lows are higher, or are there changes because the configuration changes, and it gives us that information. Also, the magnitude of movement helps us a lot as far as deciphering the market condition. In this case, you can see when we talk about magnitude of moves and momentum conditions, there's been some changes in here, and that is the momentum has turned lower right over there, and that signaled the decline that was coming here in the market. I want you to note that when we talk about translation, if you look at this cycle right here, you can see that the peak was made on the right side. That's called a right-hand translation. And when it configures in a way that the low is higher than the previous one, the odds are pretty high you're going to test or take out the previous high. And you can see that's what happened. We got that evening star pattern right over there. Once you move through that fib target zone, as you can see, that blue area is a fib target zone. It hit that target. Then when momentum turned over, it began to move down. Now the configuration is still positive. The problem is that it broke the 78.6. Also, the peak here is on the left side of this cycle, left-hand translation. That suggests that this corrective or declining phase in this cycle right in here has a long time to go, which takes you out into January to February. We're now putting in these cycle lines in the range of time that next trough is expected. And we'll have this on all of our charts. Our level 3 and 4 members will see that. This may be a little faint. I may have to darken those up, but we want to make sure that you understand that the corrective period that it's in continues. If this would have come down and hit support and then be moving up again and momentum would be strong, this whole scenario that we have in here would be very different. It would probably still be rising. But with the information we have right now of breaking the 78.6, momentum turning down, the left-hand translation, all of that is suggestive that rallies will fail and that a major top is probably in place. When we look at the long move that we had in here on the upside, that really is suggestive of an important top in place. And that would then give you a decline into January, February, and then another rally that would give you, well, not a new high, just hit some resistance zone. When I look at the daily chart right in here, you can see that this was really bad. When we saw this breakdown going on here, momentum turning negative, the slim ribbon turns negative, along with the weekly reversal scout. The slim ribbon PO is red, as you can see. Here it was green, of course, and you were getting positive signals and you were getting higher prices. Here it's red and negative in alignment with the dominant weekly chart, and it is moving down. That SPR release was just a coincident news item that came out and really did not cause this to happen. It certainly was by the change of tone that was coming out of the Fed, and then the big break that came when it was very clear that we have a new variant in COVID-19 that nobody knows about. So the Fed, it's really surprising to me, and actually joyfully so, that the Fed is looking at the conditions as a reason to be concerned about inflation. Thanks for watching that askSlim special video. Now take a quick peek at our annual askSlim holiday special. Great holiday gifts for traders and investors. Give the gift of askSlim. These are our special rates, in fact the lowest of the year for 3-month memberships, and they are non-recurring. So if you give this gift to somebody, you won't get billed again, and they won't get billed again either. Give the gift to someone you know who loves trading and investing, or give the gift to yourself. It's great for first-time members at askSlim.com to really see what we do. Use this special to try a higher level if you're already an askSlim member, and do that for 3 months. And then we're going to give you a bonus gift. We're going to send you an Amazon gift card that's going to help you pay for part of these memberships that you give to somebody or give to yourself. Let's take a look as we go to the askSlim page in here. And this is the main page, and what I want you to do is to go to the very top, as you can see, that line for our holiday specials, and then click on this little green box, save 30% or more, and that's going to take you to our special holiday page where we have these offers, and you'll be able to see that there are 4 different gift options, and those are for our level 2, 3, 4, and 4+ members, and you can see that we're going to give you back an Amazon gift card depending on which one you take for level 2, level 3, level 4, or level 4+. So if you take level 4, you're going to be able to get a $100 gift card back for that 3-month membership. And then we have the list in here of everything that's included in each of those memberships, just a tremendous amount of content that is both educational and analytical. There's no place you're going to learn more than what we teach with our amazing staff of 4 analysts that teach you all of the time the great things you need to know about trading and investing. So please do go to askSlim.com and take a look at those holiday specials and give that gift of askSlim. Thank you very much for listening.